how to adjust the maximum distance of DJI Mini 2 SE. And okay guys, sir, in your remote on the screen on your mobile phone, so tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen, and you can see the menu on the top. So select safety. In safety and flight protection section, you can see the maximum distance, and the maximum distance is set into 2,500 meter. So you can adjust this by sliding to the right. So for example, I set into 4,280. So you can adjust to the left to load the maximum distance. So I set only into 1,080, the maximum distance of my DJI Mini 2 SE. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust the maximum distance of my DJI Mini 2 SE.